Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about this Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Wi-Fi setting, how to connect Wi-Fi network in Tecno mobile. Friends, one by one, step by step, we will talk about Wi-Fi full setting. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. In your Tecno mobile, friends, open your phone Wi-Fi setting, and Wi-Fi setting is off. First of all, turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi guys, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting guys, you want to add any network in your Tecno mobile. So friends, you can add network, nearby device friends network you can add, you can connect. And friends, if you click here, so you can scan Wi-Fi QR code and you can connect Wi-Fi network with QR code in your Tecno mobile. So friends, after refresh Wi-Fi setting, I have Mukesh Wi-Fi. I will select my Wi-Fi network and I will enter Wi-Fi network password. After enter Wi-Fi network password, friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi password, you can check password, and you want to copy your password, so you can copy your Wi-Fi password. Click your copy and you can copy your Wi-Fi password also. Connect option, click here, Wi-Fi network will connect. Friends, you can see connected, and friends, we can use this Wi-Fi network in mobile. Example friends, we will on Google app. So after connect Wi-Fi network, you want to use any app in your device, Google app, Instagram app, WhatsApp app, YouTube app you want to use, you can own and you can use it. So like that friends, we can use YouTube app after connect Wi-Fi network. Friends, again open Wi-Fi setting. Friends, if you click here Wi-Fi settings, so friends, you can disconnect network, and after disconnect network friends, network will saved in your Tecno mobile. Scroll second last option friends, you can check network will save in mobile. So friends, click here save network. Again you want to connect network, click here connect. Network will connect. After connect, you want to share network nearby device, mobile to mobile. You want to share Wi-Fi, you can share Wi-Fi with QR code. And friends, if you forget, after forget, save network will remove and you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again. You want to use, you will have to enter password again, then you can connect Wi-Fi. And friends, last you can check Wi-Fi data uses from here. You can check your Wi-Fi data uses. So I hope friends you understood how to set up Wi-Fi, how to use Wi-Fi setting, and guys now we will turn off Wi-Fi. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.